So as a developer, I get asked a lot, why does Roblox keep going down? Now, most of the time I answer the people directly, but right now Roblox is down again, as you can see. So I figured I'd make a video explaining actually why this happens, because it only makes sense. Now look, if you go on roblox.com right now, you can literally see this page cannot be displayed because an internal server error has occurred. So let's go ahead and refresh and maybe it changes and this service is unavailable. Like, bro, this is a $1 billion company, right? They are worth $24 billion, but Roblox is down. That is not okay. Okay, this should not be happening that often, and hopefully they're going to fix it, and I'm going to explain kind of maybe how they could possibly fix it, but I'm not sure if they can, but it'll probably just take some time. Now, even if you go on down detector, literally the first thing that pops up is Roblox, okay? It's literally down, and everyone's reporting it right now. 23,000 people reported it at this time, and it's not working for anyone, literally. You open it here, and it shows this message: we're making things more awesome, be back soon. Now, guys, this is actually really bad. The fact that they have put this on here means it's probably going to be down for quite a while. And this outage just started about an hour ago as well. As you can see, it started at about 7 p.m. Right now it's 9 p.m. So actually 2 hours ago. Now, if you guys don't know, the last time this message was showed was in 2021. And that was the great shutdown of Roblox, or the great Roblox outage, whatever you want to call it. Right here, I looked it up, and as you can see, it says on October 28, 2021 at 5 p.m., Roblox began to have major site-wide issues, right? So you can't join a game, you can't load a friend, you can't send a friend request, you can't load your own profile, you can't trade, you can't buy stuff. Players were having issues with navigating the site using Roblox, and then they took it down completely. Now, when this happened, Roblox was down for 3 days. As you can see, it says 73-hour outage. Guys, that is insane. Now, the reason for this outage was, as you can see here, people said it was widely believed to be caused by the Chipotle burrito maze, which is basically this event where they made a Chipotle, which is a fast food place, and you can get a free burrito if you did the maze. Everyone joined it at the same time because it dropped at a certain time, and then the website went down for 3 days. But as you can see, it was quickly denied by the Roblox Twitter account, and then later they made a blog post about it and explained what happened. Now, when this happened, a few hours after the platform was put back online and was fully functional, the CEO, Builderman David Mizuki, issued an apology letter. It's like an apology video YouTubers make, but on the Roblox blog about the events that occurred, right? He's basically saying that Roblox would take action on preventing another major site-wide failure, as well as stating more details about the cause of the outage once your analysis is complete. And it was saying that no data was lost, and they would issue refunds to any advertisement, which is pretty smart and pretty nice. Now, when this actually happened, the company lost $1.5 billion in market cap value, okay? Now, back then it was worth a lot less. I don't really know exactly how much, but that's not good for anyone on the Roblox team if Roblox is losing that much value. And also a period in which they would take in at least $15 million in revenue. And even 20 hours after they ended the outage, there were still errors with newly released accessories. That's actually pretty funny. And guys, I remember too that they refunded the ads, but then they also gave people money that they should have made during that time or estimated to make. I remember that because I got premium payouts and just Robux that I would have earned, like just randomly, I got paid, even though no one actually bought anything because Roblox wanted to compensate, which is actually pretty nice. I mean, honestly, W on Roblox's end, at least for all of us, that's actually a good thing. So I can't really complain about that. So that outage, as you can see right here, had a blog post posted about it explaining what happened, and it was caused by a misconfiguration in a core resource management service running on the experience discovery and platform servers. All right, now what does that mean? Basically, guys, one of the resources, one of the services had some kind of issue, so Roblox went down. Now, I know this actually sounds kind of confusing, but I'm going to explain in a lot more simpler terms what this actually means, so don't worry. I just want to keep reading this real quick. Now, it actually took a while for them to diagnose the issue, which is even worse, because if they don't know what the issue is, then how can they fix it? You know what I mean? Now, they're saying that in that blog post that they have taken the necessary steps to prevent outages of this scale from happening again and intend to expand to multiple data centers to further mitigate outages. Now, guys, of course they're going to say that, but is it still down? Let's refresh and see, and yep, still down, okay? Since the start of this video, it is not going to get any better. Now, this is on the Roblox website as well, guys. I'm not going to lie, the fact that I see this image kind of scares me because that means they're purposefully closing it. I feel like when it's this right here, it's just like, okay, they're trying to fix it, trying to get it back up, but this is like they're actually working on the servers and trying to fix it with maintenance. And also, I remember when the Roblox went down for those 3 days, I literally couldn't record at all. I couldn't do anything. It was so horrible, guys, and we do not want that to happen, okay? Now, even over here on Reddit, people are asking, does anyone know the actual reason why Roblox has so many server issues? Like, why does it keep going down? Someone said there's a big spider in the server room. Someone said I was playing a game and everyone spawned as noobs. I actually remember that happening. That happens to me a lot. And someone said, bruh, Roblox is down again. Honestly, it looks like someone keeps spilling coffee over the servers. Now, this is kind of old, but let's see people saying on Twitter right now. And look, I don't know who this is, but he's literally saying he's getting flashbacks from the great shutdown of Roblox. And this is pretty funny too. Someone said literally everyone on Roblox goes down, and it's going from Roblox to Twitter to tweet about it. So everyone's kind of worried, okay? Now, in my opinion, you guys, the main reason why Roblox keeps going down, and at least what I've actually heard, is that the servers are just old, okay? Now, what does that actually mean? Well, when Roblox was developed like many years ago, in 2006, they coded everything kind of improperly, okay? If you guys don't know, when you're coding stuff, normally what you want to do is have everything split up, right? So you have, for example, like your leaderboards in one script, and you have your, sword in another script, or whatever, you know what I mean? It's kind of a weird example. But with Roblox, they kind of put it all together. And that's actually why they can't change certain core things. Like if you guys don't know, Roblox has a 200 player friend limit, and everyone wants it to go up. Literally, there's no reason to have that. But if they change it, it could actually cause Roblox to shut down because it messes with everything because it was coded so poorly. Now, obviously, I'm not hating on Roblox at all. It's still a great platform. It's just when they did it a long time ago, they probably didn't know how big it would be, and they wanted it done as fast as possible, so they weren't able to just make it completely perfect, right? So you got to cut them some slack for that, guys. You can't really be too upset about it. Now, is this going to be another 3-day outage, guys? I don't really know. Now, I hope not, but there's really no way to tell, guys. It's actually kind of funny because they tried editing the friend request limit a long time ago from 200 to 300, and it literally broke Roblox. There was also a whole blog post about that. But yeah, guys, in conclusion, the main reason why Roblox keeps going down is because of the poor development of it a very, very long time ago. Obviously, they can afford to buy new servers, okay? They have billions of dollars of revenue. They can buy as much servers as they need. That's not really an issue. It's just because some things are poorly developed. So when one issue arises or a new bug arises, it can affect the entire platform, right? As you can see, that was what the cause of the Great Reset. There was an issue with one of the services, and it made a huge problem with the entire platform. And someone here on Reddit even said it. I think I know why. I'm pretty sure Roblox uses outdated Ubuntu servers, so maybe that's why Roblox servers are doo-doo. And right here said it as well. Roblox servers are extremely outdated, and the company's pulling a Mr. Krabs with every little penny being extremely valuable. I don't know if that's true, guys, but they're outdated, and it's hard to just recode it, guys. You can't just recode it, right? That means they have to update the entire site, and it would actually have to go down for quite a while, and they obviously can't afford to do that. So, will Roblox keep going down? Probably. Should you be worried? Of course you shouldn't, guys. I don't think there'll be another major outage for quite a while. I'm pretty sure this one should be kind of short-lived, but I guess we'll see. Comment down below if Roblox is working for you, but they're working on the best fixes they can, guys. It's going to get better. There will be less crashes over time, okay? They're going to get better and better, obviously, so there's no need to panic. But if you enjoyed this video and it taught you something, leave a like, subscribe if you enjoy development-related videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.